Heyo, good morning, Tradeify Nation. How are we doing? Hope you're all crushing it. Hope you're all doing well and had a great day yesterday. Welcome. It's YT Wednesday, and look at us here. I programmed the AI properly. She is wearing white as well, so I'm looking forward to this day. It's going to be hopefully a very good day where we all make money. Hope you guys had a banger yesterday. Let me know in the chat. Green, red, flat. How did you end your day? And with that being said, let's actually intro our one and only AI Celine. How are you doing?
Hi, morning everyone. Doing well. Obviously, with the white tee. I got my white tee on for Wednesdays. Hope you guys are always also at home wearing white
They have
because
to.
it's Wednesday, guys.
They get banned from
I hope
stream
you
if they
are.
don't wear white.
Exactly. Or if you are, go and change quickly before we get started here because white tee Wednesday better bring us some luck today. Feeling good. Another nice, beautiful sunny day in Bali. And yeah, ready to hopefully take another banger with you guys and see what we get.
Damn, I'm jealous. Here it's like 1 degree Celsius, and you say like, it's a nice sunny day in
Nice
Bali.
sunny 30 degrees.
Damn. Hey, chat. Good morning, Leia. Good morning, Rosie. Good morning, Remy. Good morning, Steven loves Heinz. Hey, my man. Good morning, Kirill. Good morning. Who we got there? Emil, Kissmas, Pip Hunter, X, Darth Linux, Carlos, Lee, Ursula, Just Paul, Gene, Nacho. Good morning, everybody. Are you ready to crush it? Hopefully. Actually, look at the market. And Q. Let's start with that. Yesterday was a fucking insane day. Like, what the hell was that? So much volume. It was insane. Like we saw like 150 point 1 minute candles in the New York session. Like, what? It was absolutely crazy. For me, I only traded an eval during the New York session because that was like absolutely nuts. However, we did have that expansion day that we expected, right, to the downside. So if we look at the fractal model, this was Wednesday was candle 2, then yesterday was candle 3, and today's candle 4. So I do technically expect more downside based on the fractal model. However, these levels here are extremely important. You see all these wicks, like the wick from 25th of September, then 14th of October, then 17th of October, then obviously yesterday, right? So this level is a strong level here, the 24/420s. Well, some market makers had fun there. But yeah, let's see what the day brings. On the hourly, we are currently in consolidation, right? We're kind of like inside ranging, and yeah, we must break out in one direction first before we can take anything. Celine, what do you see?
Yeah, just backtracking on that New York session yesterday, that was wild. I was trying to get in and out of trade. I was taking little scalps here and there, but geez, that was ATR at one point was like 46 points on the 1 minute. So
Yeah.
I hope you guys stayed safe in that. That was some wild price action. But looking at today, obviously we still got an inside candle on the daily. We haven't really made a strong move in either directions for the minute. We do have NVIDIA earnings coming out today later in the afternoon. So I wonder if that's maybe going to hold price for a little bit here today until those numbers come out. But in saying that, if we zoom out on the daily here, we've clearly just been respecting bearish price action. So we had that bearish FEG that was formed on Thursday. We tapped into that. We had a strong reaction with the bearish close on Monday. Same with Tuesday, and here we are Wednesday. And I would like to potentially see some lower prices from here. And that level that I'm keen to see swept now on the daily is this October's low, which is sitting at 24,158.50, which is crazy to say because I feel like it wasn't long ago we were in the 25,000s and we were just seeing all-time highs. So the fact we're already all the way back down to this pretty much 24,000 level is insane. Yeah, I think I'd like to still see some lower prices. Obviously, for me to get involved today, I'd need to see a sweep of this previous 4-hour high, which looks like we could potentially get up there in a minute. Oh, it is London Open, by the way, guys.
Yeah, it's open since a minute already. Ding, 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 ding. Big Ben is calling. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye. And then, so yeah, if we get that sweet previous 4-hour high, I would be very interested in getting in shorts today.
All right. Let's see. Chat, what do you think? Ozempic, I can try. But it's going to be hard, honestly. Like,
I would love to see that.
Oh man.
So how's chat doing? Has anyone traded today? Any wins? Any losses? Let
I'm
us know.
pretty sure some people have traded today. Pretty sure.
Or did anyone get burnt yesterday? Because, whew, that New York session was something.
That was something else. Yeah, haven't seen that in a while. Gold is tanking here right now. Let's see if it holds weekly open. Definitely an important level. By the way, that gold short yesterday, I did get stopped out on it, but it worked out later, unfortunately.
Damn.
So that's how it is. It is just how it is. Yeah, Patrick. Yesterday we said hi, and you never replied. But it's good to have you here now. Good morning.
Hey, Patrick. Kirill, gold looks good for shorts. Good morning. Can you look at gold? We can take a look at gold. I mean, for me, I still haven't been trading gold lately. I've been looking at it, but I just don't even know how to read this at the minute. What do you see, Nick, on gold?
Let me check. So on the daily, I'm gonna do a top-down analysis here on gold. Basically, yesterday we tapped into previous week low and had a strong push to the upside again. Kind of similar to Monday. Technically, after Monday, I would have expected more upside. I do expect more upside today again because yesterday was a fractal model candle 2 closure. On the hourly, let me check. Get that. Change in state of delivery. Yeah, we did. So yeah, for me, gold is bullish, especially now that we just tapped into weekly open. This could be the level where we bounce off of and just move higher. I actually like this.
I can see also on the daily we're respecting that bullish FEG on the daily, so it's a nice level to be holding. Potentially could see the upside from here.
Yep. By the way, chat, I mean, I just said the 24,420 level on NQ is an important level, right? And it's also kind of like a meme level. And the like goal for today is actually 420. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, get us to 420 likes, and we're going to do another giveaway for you guys.
Woo!
Woo! Yeah, this consolidation here is ugly.
I traded Celine's model, I believe, at 204 and took 50 points. Well, let's have a look. That's sick if it was. I haven't had a setup yet, but let me just see. Well, no, potentially. It wouldn't have been my exact model because we hadn't had a sweep of the previous 4 hour. I'm guessing you got in longs. So for me to have entered longs at 204, we would have had to have had a sweep of the previous 4 hour. But I mean, sick if you caught 50 points. Like, well done, Emma.
Yeah, fuck the model. 50 points, 50 points.
Yeah, I know. Who cares? I'll be closing up today. Take a break.
Ayrton asking, how much is a Tradeify 50K growth account with the discount? My friend, you can always find that information on tradeify.co. Look, I'll pull it up for you to make it easier, okay? Go on tradeify.co, click get funded, and then you will see right here, 50K growth account after discount is $97 with Tradeivate. Project X, 102. Let's see.
Morning,
NQ
Kevin.
ranging. Like this 3-minute range on NQ right now is so disgusting.
It looks even worse on the 1 minute.
This is untradeable for me right now. I need to see a sweep off the low of the range.
Yeah.
Which we technically got at 2:30 a.m. But then it just kept ranging. So let's see. I marked it out though.
So potential for you to take longs today? Are we gonna be fading each other?
Hey, I don't know yet. Right now I'm just waiting for anything to happen. I'm more interested in gold right now. More interested in gold. Hola, Fun with Folds, ¿qué tal? Sí, señor. I've been playing Badal since I was 4 years old.
Bonjour, Miguel.
The good news says, Nick, I thought you were off today. Glad to see you, man. Hey, glad to see you. No, I'm not off today, but tomorrow I will be on a plane. So
Tomorrow.
Celine AI is gonna host the stream by herself. Are you excited, Celine?
I'm so excited. Anything can happen. We got AI. I'm excited. I got some things planned for you guys. So yeah, we'll have some fun.
Yeesh. All right. All right. Let's see. Miguel says, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi?
Ça va bien, merci. Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Well, fun with folks. Don't start speaking Spanish if you can't speak Spanish. Well, I can't speak Spanish either, but never mind.
All right, Kevin's in a short here. 24,622 stops at the high.
Oh, that was a good entry. Holy moly.
Yeah, nice.
That was a really good entry. Just trading at a range there, I see. But wait a minute, Mr. Kevin. You took that entry like an hour ago or what? Because London didn't go to 622, or are you trading M and Q? Wait. Because M and Q might have a wick up there. No, it doesn't.
Must have been like
It doesn't.
Must have been an hour ago.
Yeah, so he's in since an hour, which is kind of crazy.
Damn, you're sitting in this chop, Kevin.
Kevin, don't get chopped up. Take profit when it moves down. Pip Hunter, is AI gonna run the giveaway?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, she will, of course. She's gonna do it differently though. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be funny.
I promise it won't be rigged. It's gonna be
Yeah, an AI that says it promise it won't be rigged. Definitely rigged, chat. Definitely rigged.
I realized I stuffed up there.
Guys,
you guys aren't gonna believe me, but one of you will win. One of you. One lucky winner.
I hope I win.
Are you gonna be tuning in?
I mean, look, it's very likely that I'm gonna be jet lagged and I'm awake. So if I'm awake, I will for sure tune in. Because last time I went to Miami, same thing happened. I went to sleep at like 10 p.m. and then woke up at 3. So
just don't trade. Just don't try trading at 3 a.m. in the middle of the night.
I did that last time and I hit DLL on all my accounts. So I'm probably not going to do it this time.
There you go.
Or yes, Ozempic. I can just go ship post in the chat. That's a good idea. I'm gonna go full Ozempic mode tomorrow if I wake up.
Yes. All right, go straight in. About to get into shorts. Here we go. This is what we love. He always gives us his levels. 24,600 is his entry. And stops above 24,500.
Kevin is getting his short here. But Kevin, you're at the bottom of the range now. I would get out if I were you, especially after being in this for like an hour.
Yeah, at least take something off.
Let's see. Ayrton says, where do you guys live? I'm in New York. I'm in Switzerland.
I'm in Bali.
So we're all over the world right now, Ayrton. You in New York, me in Switzerland, Celine in Bali.
One in each side of the corner of the globe, but that wouldn't make sense.
Hey, fun with folds, you know. You know. Well, Kevin, like just take profit here, wait for it to come back up and short it again. Don't stay in a trade because you want to pass an account.
And then risk like hitting stop loss just because you're trying to get past. Like,
could it go down there? Absolutely. But you don't have a guarantee. You rather take a second trade after this. You don't have to pass it now with this one trade.
There's always another trade.
Aw, fun with folds and Tradeify in our hearts.
Aww.
Let's see. Gold is still tanking. Let's see if gold respects beep up. What's that, Celine?
I was just going to say, we're just going to have a ranging London session. I'm just curious because we do have video earnings out today. So technically when we have those big news drivers like that being released, I feel like NASDAQ can just sit around and do nothing. But I hope that's not the case.
Christian says that's wise words, Nick. Well, look, Christian, I've done this previously, right? Where I was in a trade, and I was literally the only thing I was looking at is the level I need to get to pass the account. But looking at the charts objectively, I would have seen this is absolutely not going to happen, right? Could this happen here? Of course, but the probability is just lower. So I'd rather get out at a significant level, wait for another entry, and take a second trade, because in the past I didn't do that, and then I would blow the account instead of passing it with a second trade. And obviously then I would be pissed, and then I would revenge trade, and then I would blow a couple more accounts, and the death spiral begins. Stacks Networks. Nick, can you be honest? What is the best and worst thing about straight to funded accounts, you think? And also maybe Celine answer. Okay. From my end, the best thing about Lightning funded accounts is obviously that you're funded immediately. You don't have to waste any mental capital. You don't have to waste any time on passing evals. You can get started right away, and you treat the account more seriously. That's the best thing about it. The bad thing about it is that it's a bit more expensive, right? Now, that is only partially a bad thing, because if you can afford it and you know what you're doing and you have a high probability of getting to a payout, then it's still cheap, right? But in comparison to an eval account, it's more expensive. That would be my take.
I would just add, like, I mean, if it's your first try with props, I would personally start with more of a growth sort of setup, so that you have to obviously prove to yourself that you can trade, you can be consistent before you get into a funded account. Because I don't know, for me, that just allows you to, get your reps in a bit more. Obviously, if it's like your first time trading with accounts at all, I would just start there. And then eventually, when you're a bit more confident, you have your system, your psychology, everything, definitely Lightning fundeds are the way to go.
Yep.
There was a question before about Tooth Fairy was asking if I've tried T-Trade's model, but I actually haven't. I've seen many things about it online. I know it's can be like really, he's got lots of good education out there, and I don't know, I just haven't found myself trading it. I found what works for me, but
honestly, T-Trade's for president.
Yeah.
I only trade fractal model, literally nothing else right now.
I mean, I'm not anti it. I definitely see when you get into trades, like, it totally makes sense. I just have, like, I'm very rigid with my system, my trading at the moment. But hey, especially with gold, I might look at it with gold, because I know I do want to start trading gold.
The mysterious stranger, president of USA or Swiss. Switzerland doesn't have a president, so the US. Anyways, Peter, in regards to your Project X question, I see it there. Don't worry about anything for now. Just trade it as normal. And then we will come up or we will publish some announcements pretty soon. I know we're still in negotiations with them, but we're going to have a banger solution, as Tradeify always has a banger solution for everybody. So don't worry about anything. Just trade it as normal for now. No need to worry.
Finge, how did I end up here in Bali? Good question. I found myself here after I did a lot of traveling when I first quit my job to go full-time trading. That was all of last year. So I did a bit of Europe, I did a bit of Southeast Asia, and then I found myself here in January this year, and yeah, pretty much just never left. It's really cool. It's a good side of the globe to be on, I feel like, with trading. Obviously, Europe is ideal with the trading hours, but definitely you get a lot of sun here. Beaches are awesome. We've spoken before, cost of living, everything like that. It's awesome.
Fun with folds. You paid attention in yesterday's New York stream, huh?
What do you say? Do you know that it's legal to eat your pets? What?
Yeah, it is.
Am I missing something?
It is actually.
What?
It's funny. You can eat your cat and your dog in Switzerland. It's no problem.
What do you mean?
You can eat your cat or your dog if you want to. I just recently found out with my girlfriend. We were so shocked when we found out about this. We were like, "What the fuck?"
As in, like, what? Where is this published? This is like,
hey,
what? Nick, I no words. I need to Google this.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
How did this even come up in? in the New York stream? I'm so confused.
Hey, in the New York stream, many things come up. By the way, chat, definitely tune in to Friday's New York stream. That one is going to be crazy because we're going to be doing an in-person stream with Matt, Miriam, Amos, Rebecca, Nick S, Brett, me. Like, we're all going to be in the same place. It's going to be so funny. So make sure you tune into that. And if Brett is there, you already know there's going to be some banger giveaways. So better tune in there. Yeah.
That's going to be so sick. I'm kind of bummed I'm not in that New York group. That would be so fun.
Yeah. But hey, we're going to meet soon. Shh.
Now they're all going to be like, what? I'm just like Googling this because what? It's technically legal in Switzerland to eat your own cat provided the animal is killed. I don't know if we're going to get cancelled on YouTube for this, but provided the animal
Hey,
is
it's legal. What are you talking about? It's legal.
It's humanly, like, what? So someone must be doing this. That's the scary thing. Someone's tested this.
100%.
Wild.
Don't even ask me who it was. It was not me.
Every day now I'm going to be checking, like, you need to bring Fluffy and the other one on screen every day.
Proof that they're still alive.
We need proof.
JUM says, Nick, please change your chart background. My friend, we actually discussed this multiple times. We did a poll on it. The chat voted. Dark background is preferred. It is actually 75 to 25% people want dark background.
Wait, what percent?
75% wants dark background.
Damn. Well, sorry, guys. I'm sticking with these white charts.
Yeah, Pew Trades, that's a fair point.
Oh, well, this is going to get, this could just, debate could go on forever.
Yeah, especially like, I mean, debates about which animals to eat or not to eat are always kind of weird because there are so many reasonable arguments for both sides, right? Even with like you know, my mom always said we only eat it's called bio in Switzerland, so basically like organic stuff, right? So like animals from I don't even know how to say this in English, but basically animals that were happy, you know, that had a happy life, that had enough room to run around and were treated well.
Organic, yeah.
But then you could argue, well, would you rather eat an animal that has a miserable life or eat an animal that has a happy life and you end that happy life? Then it's like, oh shit.
Oh, don't. You have a point. But the more I think about it, the worse I feel about eating. Because I eat beef, chicken, like everything, pretty much. I mean, not cat, not dog. But when you think about that, that's really sad, actually.
Yeah, right. It's like if you kill animals that have a happy life, well, that's kind of mean. But hey, at the end of the day, this discussion could go on forever. So let's just stop it here.
I know. We're probably going to piss off a lot of people too.
I do like the gold longs here. If we get a 30-minute bullish candle close here in 10 minutes or 11 minutes, I will take a gold long. Looks nice. Oh yeah, free range, ethical meat. That's right, Ozempic.
Oh yeah.
You know, I'm just I'm just a poor little Swiss guy doesn't know how to speak English,
but knows how to speak Portuguese, French, Italian.
Yeah, of course. But I only know to speak how to speak these languages in a little bit of an accent, but in English. Kevin, I hope you're not still in this trade because this is coming back up. This is not good. Back up, actually.
Kevin, I hope you took something off.
If he didn't, this is going to be a great lesson. Even if it sucks, but this is going to be a great lesson. But if he's out and he passed his account, I will know then he would have actually put it in the chat, I assume.
Big. I feel like Nick has a post note next to his monitor with a list of topics he can randomly bring up. If there's even a chance of dead air during his dreams, 100% or bad food.
Hey, you know, Ozempic, you know, my job, right, on stream and with Tradeify, like content pieces that I make, shorts, reels, etc. My job is to get as much engagement as possible from you guys. Now, I realized all the food topics, they really trigger engagement. So, hey, of course I'm going to do it, you know?
We
It should
realized
work.
that with the ketchup.
Hey, the ketchup is an engagement hack, I tell you. Bring up
By the way,
ketchup. Yeah, ketchup on steak, bring that topic up, and the chat is going to explode every single time.
and apparently, any sauce for that matter, everyone's got an opinion. But Stephen likes Heinz, or what was his? We need to talk about that. We need to change that username.
Francesco,
not
yeah,
gonna
I
cut it.
do hate Tizaikai. That's right.
Guys, don't do it. Where's Joker today? Not in the chat.
He's still in Greece. I don't know where he is in the chat, though. All right, we did get the change in state of delivery on gold, so this is starting to look nice for longs, chat. I really want to long this once we have a 30-minute candle closure. Now, Ian, it's not tomato sauce. It's actually tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Say it right.
Hey, thanks, Tom. Appreciate you.
Oh, Steven's there. Steven, we need to change your username. Like, especially because tomorrow you're just with me, and Friday for that matter. We need to do something about that username.
Hey, you know what? I actually like the gold longs and the NQ longs.
What would be your entry confirmation on gold? I'm just looking. Would
Just
it be
a
off the
30-minute bullish candle closure, ideally higher than 86.4, because then we have a fractal model set up. We already got a change in state of delivery on the 3-minute, so it's literally just waiting for this 30-minute candle closure.
So then it's like as soon as you get that 30-minute, is it just a market entry?
Yes.
Okay.
In this case, yes. Yeah, NQ is looking real nice for longs as well, but same thing there. I'm waiting for a retracement, for a 30-minute candle closure, sorry, and then a retracement most likely, because it looks like it wants to push through previous week low before 8:30 UK. But yeah, let's see. Just gotta be patient, chat. And right now, I really want to enter this like right now, but oftentimes it still has a retracement after. So I'm just gonna be patient and wait for that setup to actually be confirmed, because right now it's not confirmed for me.
And Cure, I mean, I hope that's how you say it, Cure. Celine, would a 30-minute sweep be valid for your model for a long on NAS? No, I need the 4-hour first to sweep either the previous high or the previous low. So at the minute, we're just inside the previous 4-hour candle. So nothing, no setups for me. The way this is looking, I would prefer us to go up to that previous 4-hour high level, which is around 24,656. Sweep that and then get some shorts in here today.
Hey, D-Marcus Downs, the like goal is 420. 420, chat. All right, this is starting to look real nice for longs, both on NQ and gold.
Yeah, wow, gold's making a move.
Let's see if we can get it. This is going to be a 30-minute, 3-minute fractal model on pretty much everything I have open right now for longs. NQ, ES, YM, gold, everything.
Full port.
Full port, chat.
Full port.
This is nice. I like it. The upper end of the range is still being respected. Kevin, are you still here? Are you still in your trade, or did you get out?
Yeah, where did Kevin go?
Well,
We need
the
an
fact that
update,
he's
Kev.
not here anymore tells me that most likely he didn't get out. And now he got out break even, and now it's dropping, and now he enters another trade, and now he's gonna death spiral. I hope not, but that would be what I would have been doing in the past. Well, Johnny, if I would take gold long here, my target would just be the 5-minute candle bodies up here, so like 4,097.
So GHXST trader, what site do you use for news releases on the given day for stocks, etc.? I use Forex Factory to get all my US news releases, and that'll show me red folder, orange folder. I think Nick, you use something else. I've seen you pop up on screen.
Yeah, I use just it's called tradingeconomics.com.
Yeah. And also, I mean, they give you the same thing. And the other thing I always check on is the NASDAQ or the S&P earnings calendar to see what earnings we have coming out.
Yup.
Yeah. Nice, Rohan. Locked in 30 points. Let's
Hell
go.
yeah. Hell yeah. Love that.
All right, let's see NQ get up to that high. Let's see it.
Let's see it. 2 minutes 40 seconds left on this candle, and then we have our fractal model confirmation. It looks like gonna be a pretty big stop though. Like it's gonna be like a 10-point stop on gold. Oh, it's kind of disgusting.
10 points. That's insane.
Well, I would take it with micros.
Right.
But NQ looks better right now. NQ to Asia highs. We could take that.
On the 3 minute?
Yeah, 3 minute, 30 minute.
Yeah.
It is stronger right now, so we might just do that, Chad.
Oh,
don't
we're
run
getting a
without me.
strong push.
Don't run without me.
Here we go. I might be getting that 4-hour sweep as well. Let's see.
But you're looking for shorts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, Celine. Every single
well, it
day.
isn't a London stream if we're not on the opposing sides of the market.
It's true.
Fading.
That is true. Vince, the CISD on the 3 minute on gold is right here. This one. You know, you look at all the opposing candles that made this low, which are basically these two bearish candles. So it's at 84.4. Yeah, for NQ, my stop would be too large. Oh, gold is pretty big too. What are we gonna do? Yeah.
Patrick, Nick, if Sling goes for shorts, just use it as a pullback entry for you. It's true. You can have a day where shorts and longs work.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, every day.
Here's what I'm going to do, chat. I'm going to set a limit order on gold at 85. And I do expect a little bit of a pullback here. 85.5. I would set a limit buy for 5 micros. This is going to be on the 0 to hero funded account.
They're both ripping right now.
Yeah. Hey, actually, you know what? Mysterious Stranger, you're right. There is a fail on my charts. Look at this. Wait, now I need to see how it looks on GC. Maybe there's a difference in GC to MGC. No, funny. Look on Project X, this 903 candle is a bearish candle, but on TradingView, it's a bullish candle. Like, what the hell?
What the hell?
All right, then there is no change in state of delivery. I'm gonna take this order off. Fuck that.
Damn.
Focus on NQ instead. But that is weird. That is like weird. Why would it be a bullish candle on TradingView but a bearish candle on Project X?
That's so sus.
That leaves me puzzled, honestly. Let's see how it looks on Tradeify. Yeah, on Tradeify, it's a bearish candle as well. What the fuck?
What the hell?
Huh.
Yeah, when that happens, I've seen it before with NQ, like very rarely, but like something very sus about that.
Yep. So yeah, in this case, chat, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on NQ. But thanks for calling that out. Mysterious stranger. I like the NQ longs though. I'm gonna take the long on NQ 1 mini. With 1 mini.
Nice. Let's go NQ. Get up there.
Do it.
Pump it, pump it.
Gonna set the stop below the 50% equilibrium, so at like 600 for now, and then I'm gonna trail pretty fast. I'm going for a 101, 1-to-1. RR. RR.
RR.
RR. All right. And then I would move break even actually at 0.5. I treat it as a normal 2-to-1 R trade in terms of stop loss trailing, but I'm just gonna do the 1-to-1 target because it's a pretty big stop for now.
Hey, Bleaks gets the medal today. Is asking what your trading view indicators are.
Hey, you get the gold medal today. Let me add my trade first on the chart here. You can see it.
Johnny, you're in longs. I'm in longs off 575. Consequent encroachment of that 1 minute FVG below. Let's have a look. 1 minute FVG. 575.
All right, there you go.
Oh, nice entry.
This is my trade, chat. This is my trade. So entry at 24,642, target at 683.75, stop at 600. We need to break off the range high here though. If we don't get that, then we're toast. So basically like Asia high needs to break and sustain the break. Meaning once Asia high breaks, we're actually gonna move break even. That's the plan here.
I think that was a good choice on gold to get out of that. Looks like it's coming down again.
Yeah, well, it's retesting the equilibrium point. The problem is gold can be framed in both directions right now, but absolutely weird that TradingView shows me a bullish candle where Tradeify and Project X show me a bearish candle. So my TradingView indicators, I use all these. Look, I use Spaceman BTC key level. Then I use VWAP, and then I use FVG, IFVG, and TTFM Pro Plus, and ICT kill zones. And that is pretty much it.
Johnny, you got a fire entry on those longs.
What
are you planning to hold it? Hey?
What was his entry?
575.
Oof.
Huh?
Yeah.
He's killing it.
Nice. All right, let's go to the trade here so you can see it. Let's see how that plays out. I could imagine a retest of the range high at like 620. But then I would like this to hold. If this doesn't hold, we're getting toasted. But I think it's realistic that 620 holds.
Yeah, I'd still expect it even just to pop above the 4-hour high even. Just it shouldn't be coming down already. I don't trust it. The 4-hour high is also that previous 15-minute high. Also that 1-hour high.
Let's see what we can get. It was a clean setup though. Like this is exactly what I said in the market analysis in the beginning, right? We had a range. I wanted to see a sweep of the range low, then change in state of delivery and the 30-minute candle closure, which we all got. So this is like an ideal A+ fractal model setup. This is perfect for longs. The only thing that isn't as great is that we're already so close to Asia highs, right? So we need to take out Asia highs to reach target. That's the only downside. But besides that, great setup. Hidden Ancient Enigma says, hold that long all day. Is it going to be one of those days? Maybe.
You
Maybe.
never know. I mean, look what yesterday, like, I think you can just do whatever it wants.
Hey, true. That is indeed true.
There's a chance here, though, Nick. Like, we definitely could be fading each other very soon, because if we get a push above the previous 4-hour high, that level I've been calling it, I think it's what's wrong with my mouse? 656. If we get up there, that's when I start to look for shorts. So there's a chance we're going to be in fades today. Fading.
Yeah, ES has, well, it has not swept Asia high actually. It top ticked Asia high.
Yeah, I can see that. Not quite the sweep.
Yeah, as said, chat, 620 here needs to hold. If this doesn't hold, we're toast. We're toast. But if it holds, then that is going to be the place to move the stop loss to. That would be my take on this trade.
And by the way, chat, that's not a signal for me to enter shorts here. Even though ES like top tick that high, it didn't technically sweep. Even if it swept by a tick, but it literally just made that equal high. So no entry yet for me. Cameron, Celine, have you tested your system to see if only one of ES or NQ sweeps a high? Yeah, that's technically an SMT, which we had yesterday. I will also, it's not like a definite reason. Like, I would obviously have to have everything else lined up. It wouldn't just be based off the SMT, but yeah, I can still enter if ES sweeps that 4-hour high and NQ doesn't, I'd still be in.
$620 needs to hold, chat. If it doesn't, we're done. Johnny, yeah, tell it. Get up there, NQ. Do it.
Come on, NQ.
Doesn't look great right now. I'm gonna say that. It doesn't look great for us.
24,600 is your stop on this, right?
Yep. That's right below equilibrium.
Yeah. Come on, NQ.
What is gold doing? Okay, gold is holding equilibrium. Okay. Interesting.
Here comes a bounce.
Hey, better bounces now. I'm a bit scared that it's going to retest equilibrium, wicks through it, but doesn't close through it, stops us out, and then it runs. But I can't move the stop loss any lower. This is already pretty big.
Stick to the plan.
Yep. But chat, we might be toasted. We might be toasted.
We didn't even get up to that Asia high yet. I don't know what we're doing here.
Well, ES did. All right, there's equilibrium.
Come on.
Just hold that now.
Hold.
Damn. Yeah, got stopped out. Shit. It's like, this one is really annoying for me because I was extremely patient with my entry and I waited for my setup to show, and the setup was A+. So that sucks. But hey, on to the next one.
That's right. Just get it in the next one.
Yeah.
But that's really weird. I don't know why. Like, what level are we even reacting to off that? The 650s? Like, there's nothing of significance.
I mean, the only thing that happened was that ES did tap into Asia high. That's the only thing. It wasn't taken, Narkil. It was only tapped into, like, literally to the tick. It didn't sweep Asia high.
Yeah, it needs to sweep. I need to see that sweep. This is going to be so annoying if it just dumps now. Come on.
Yep. Well, it is what it is, chat. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Let's see. Where are we at with the like count? We are sitting at 237 likes. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad.
Halfway there.
We need 420, chat. We need 420. So if you haven't already,
25.8.
make sure you smack that like button.
We need you guys. I mean, who wouldn't want to win an account on a Wednesday? On any day.
That's
but
a good question. That's a good question.
But hey, if you had like a shitty trading day, at least you know you can rock up to our stream and win an account. Like,
Hey.
what is better than that?
No.
And all you have to do is click a button.
Kind of crazy.
That's
Oh, they
it.
have to fill out the form, to be fair.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, not off to the greatest start here on that 0 to hero funded account. We are, how much do you have left? We have $850 left to max loss limit. Uh-oh.
Full port. Let's see it, chat. Let's see the full port.
Full port.
Agreed. The best indicator is the high time frame in the lower time frames. Honestly, that's goated. The day I worked that out, which was only a few months ago, I realized I could see the high time frame candles on my 1 minute chart. That made it so much easier, especially for my system, because I'm relying so heavily on what the 4 hour and 15 minute is doing. It just means I don't have to click up all the time. I can just sit on one time frame and see it all. Sick.
If we get a bullish reaction here on this, like to this fair value gap, I'm going to re-enter this. Because this is exactly what I just said. Like, I'm scared that we're going to sweep the equilibrium, like retest it, but then immediately go back up. The better choice here, chat, now, analyzing this in hindsight, obviously, the better choice would have been to wait for a retest of change instead of delivery, like actually set a limit order at 600 instead of longing it up here. Would definitely have been the better choice. So here's a new plan. I'm going to take another long if this 3 minute candle closes bullish and stop below the fair value gap. That is what we're going to do.
Yeah, it's having a strong reaction to that 5 minute FEG.
Yeah. It's exactly what is literally exactly what I said.
Yeah.
That could happen, but hey. It is what it is. No, Kwang, equilibrium is always the 50% point of the previous candle. So 15 seconds, chat, until re-entry on this for me. You do everything that you want to do on your own risk, chat. Just a little disclaimer here.
I feel like everyone in the chat, well, not everyone, but a few of you keep saying it's search and destroy, don't do it. But Nick's saying his setup, so he should never hesitate that.
All right, I'm back in. Stop is at 85.
Let's go NQ. Let's see it.
85. Target would still stay the same, honestly.
I mean, from experience, whenever NQ comes all the way up to those like strong, significant highs, like a 4 hour high or a previous 1 hour high, it never just pauses and stops below. And if it does, just below, I swear it always comes back to take it. The old me would have been like, oh, I'm going to enter shorts off that. And then I bet this is just going to go up now. And I would be getting smoked. So I'm waiting. I'm pretty sure it's going to get back up there just to sweep Asia high.
Or I get double Nasdaq. Who knows?
I just don't see that happening, but
who knows?
Maybe I'm a bit optimistic today.
Yeah, I'm actually going to go for a 2-to-1. Oh, if I get top ticked on this twice, Chat. Then I'm gonna take the next 2 days off.
At least, hey, at least you're in Miami the next couple of days. You
That
can
is true.
chill
That
out.
is true. But this, oh shit, this is gonna hit our DLL before it takes the stop. I didn't even realize.
Oh shit! It'll just close you out.
Yep. If it comes a little bit lower, like 100 points away, 70 points away, $70 away. If oh shit, if this hits DLL now and it doesn't stop me out, oh god.
What is happening? YT Wednesday as well. Come on. Come on,
Mm-hmm.
NQ.
We might
I mean,
get
it looks
lucky.
bullish as hell to me. Like, where I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but look at all this bullish price action. We're having market structure shifts. I'm just looking at the 5-minute. Bullish FEGs being held, respected. Another market structure shift, a retracement down into that FEG. Just everything pointing to the upside. Come on.
Yeah, well.
I got faith in this, Nick. Let's go.
Emil says,
Thank you to the moon.
Emil says it's the dark background, bro. Yeah, I mean, Polo, 100%. We did that before. It's never over until it's over. It's never over until it's over. Well, Extraordinary for Life says, try to warn you, bro. Look, at the end of the day, there's always going to be somebody in the chat who says, yeah, take it. And there's always going to be somebody, don't take it. And whichever one was right will say, see, I told you. It's like, yeah, fuck you, man. I trade my
That's
setup.
usually his name is usually Trading Markets.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. I trade my setups. If I get it, I get it. If I don't get it, I don't get it. That's completely fine.
Exactly.
There's gonna be transparently trading for all you guys. And that means you're gonna see losses. That means you're gonna see wins.
Mm-hmm.
Tooth
Damn,
Fairy
John,
Luke.
that sucks.
Tooth Fairy Luke. Yeah, it was a TTFM setup. It's just the retest of the change in state of delivery, that setup. That's the secondary entry, right? Obviously, in hindsight, I should have waited for this in the first place. Oh yeah, hindsight trading is always easier. Dude, I'm lagging like crazy right now.
I like this reaction on the 5-minute. Look at that.
We were $60 away from hitting DLL.
Let's go.
If this hits TP,
10 accounts.
that would be fun. No, don't say that, Celine. No.
Joke. Guys, maybe tomorrow. Maybe no.
AI just broke, chat. The AI just broke. I'm sorry.
Let's go, NQ. Come on.
Give me my monies. Oh God, I'm lagging so much. What's happening? Oh no, it's better.
You're not for me.
It's better now.
Oh, I'm lagging too.
No, you're not for me.
Oh, wait, what?
I don't know.
I know.
I don't know. Imagine this would have stopped me out because of DLL. And then it runs like, ugh.
That would have been so shitty.
Paulo,
hey,
TP is 670. 670.
Oh no. Oh, no. Every day, there's always something.
Suri Luki, what did I have for dinner yesterday? I had kind of like a fried chicken sandwich.
Oh, yum.
It was great. Celine also has an AI background. WN. What is an AI background?
What does that mean?
I mean, all of Celine's video is AI, so of course. Patrick, no, no, just no.
No. Let's not make this a conversation we have daily, guys. That's like traumatic for me. Can't even picture
My
that.
cats are well and alive, happy and healthy.
Yeah, look, we haven't seen them in a couple days.
That is true. Can't really argue with that.
Maybe we need to catch up on that.
Come on, stop lagging here. I'm
Mo,
lagging
who's the
so
lady from Game of Thrones? I've never seen that. I'm probably the one person here who hasn't seen Game of Thrones.
You have not
Don't
seen
come
Game
for
of
me.
Thrones?
No, don't come for me. You know what happened?
Oh,
I
Chad,
saw.
Chad, we gotta fire her at this point. I'm really
No,
sorry. I know you
can't
like her,
explain.
but we gotta fire her. Like, this is not okay anymore.
Guys, I can't explain. Really, social media ruined it for me because I saw pretty much. I think I started to get into it like end of probably one of the first, second seasons, and I saw everything online, and I just thought, what? It's true.
What?
Like, why would I get involved now when I've just seen pretty much the entirety of the plot in like one social media post? And that happened every season.
Celine.
And then just as I was thinking, all right, maybe I should get into this, I saw the crazy ending. I saw who died. Like, ruined.
You should still watch it.
No.
Yeah, I got
I know who
DLL'd on
died.
this. I got
Oh,
DLL'd, Chad.
damn.
No! Fuck. This sucks. At least
Damn.
go to my initial stop loss now. Because if it
Yeah.
doesn't, I'm
Come
gonna be
on.
like super pissed.
Which was what? What was the level?
85. If it now runs, I swear I'm gonna be so pissed.
We're gonna see Nick rage.
I'm gonna just drop off the stream at that point.
Damn.
At least stop me out. Then I know I was wrong. Now I'm rooting for the stop loss.
Dump it. Although I still want to see it get up there. I need for NASDAQ to still get up there again.
You know, chat, that's the hard part about streaming live.
Not losing your shit.
No,
when you get
no.
DL.
You can do that, but it's just like you're here and everybody saw the two L's that you took.
Mm.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. They've seen you smash
Yeah,
it. They've seen
course.
you win all your other
Of
trades.
course. No, for me it's just like I'm done for the day. Trading.
Well, let's hope I get a trade, guys, so you're still entertained.
2 losses is it. Obviously, I'm still gonna trade the Nibel during New York stream, but not gonna trade any fundeds anymore today. 2 losses that I've done.
Well, Chad, this is the reality. This is honestly the reality. You take just as many sometimes losses as you do wins.
It is. I mean, I'm only down 1.2K for the day, but still sucks.
Yeah, it's not so. All right, chat are telling me about this act because apparently I look like her.
You look like who?
This actress from Game of Thrones, apparently. I'm just gonna do a
Which
quick
one
Google.
though, chat? Which one?
Her name
Because
is.
I watched Game of Thrones, but I can't recognize Celine as one of the.
No, chat. I really. Oh, she's Swiss as well. Una Chaplin, apparently. I don't see it.
Una Chaplin. Let me check.
This. I don't know.
Well, yeah, a little bit. Not like crazy.
Spanish Swiss.
Not like crazy resemblance, but I see it.
Strange. I don't really see it.
Oh shit, Trader Guy, you're right. I can never become a guru now. I took a loss on stream. Shit. How dare you take a loss on stream, Nick?
Come on, NASDAQ. Oh no, Nick.
I'm gonna rage quit.
I kind of want to see it happen. Chat, do we want to see Nick rage?
I kind of want to see it happen just to know that I was right.
I still want to get up there before I short, but
my mistake was taking the long so close to Asia high. At this point, I should have just waited for CISD retest. That is my big takeaway from this mistake, or like from these two L's. Because if I would have only taken the CISD retest, I would be 4 points in profit right now. And my stop loss would be at the same point. And no, Hell Saint, that's not revenge trading, like at all. This is just taking the secondary entry that is still a valid entry for the setup, and just not working out, right? Revenge trading would be me going on another account now and just longing this again. That would be revenge trading. Tristan, how do I deal with losses mentally? I mean, look, it depends. Something like this, if I didn't check DLL, I get DLL'd and it didn't hit my stop loss and then it runs into TP. That is very hard for me mentally to process. But it's still my mistake, right? Just realizing that everything I do, everything that happens is my fault really helps, because accepting that it's my fault leads then to me thinking, okay, how can I prevent this mistake in the future and not make it again? My goal is every single time when I take losses, when I feel frustrated, is like, what can I learn from this? And in this case, it is do not long if we're so close to Asia high just to expect that we're going to sweep Asia, or like that we're going to push through Asia high. Instead, if we're so high already, you can still take the setup, but wait for a change in state of delivery retest, which in this case was the 600 level. And yeah, that's the key takeaway.
Facts right there. And guys, I think like another important thing to take away is that Nick never hesitated on the second setup. I think that's so important because, I mean, even though, okay, it ended in an L, like it would affect him more mentally, I think, if he was hesitating and then it ended up going to TP, say, like, even though like you take a loss on that first trade, it doesn't mean you can't get back in when you see a setup. So
that's true. True. Let's see. Oh, chat. We're 500 people watching, so 420 likes is doable. We're sitting at 313. Come on. 117 more. Actually, no, 107 more. Math is hard. 107
you guys
more
can
likes.
get there. You guys can get there before NQ can get up to that Asia high. I'm positive. Come on. It's you against NQ right now. Come on, chat.
Hey, Swan, appreciate it. Cheese Ball says, oh, I hear the French accent. No problem. I can always do French accent for you. My brother. Beautiful monsieur? Ouais. Whenever you want to speak French, it says, ouais, oui,
ouais.
Croissant.
Ouais.
Yeah, this market movement is ugly. Like, what is this? It literally, like, what? Look at this, chat. I mean, this is max pain scenario, right? It ranges, sweeps the low of the range, gives me a setup, goes up, sweeps the high of the range, comes right back into the range, and now it just stays there. This is max pain scenario.
It's got to go somewhere, chat. Literally up or down from here. One way.
Nicholas Papa, which is literally said, give us 420 likes, and we're going to do a giveaway. Do it.
And then one of you is going to get an account. So hurry up. Well, let's hope it gets to your stop loss from here.
Yeah, then at least I was wrong. All right, I would have been stopped out. The difference is that I would have taken a 15-point stop loss. I would be down $300 instead of $1,300. A pretty big difference, to be fair. But that was 30. Like, thank you was 30 for that one. Super dirty.
I don't like this range that we're stuck in right now. I really don't like this. Yeah, even on the 15-minute, like, can we just go somewhere?
Apparently not.
Because from what I can see, this 15-minute FVG, bullish FVG right now is holding. Like that midpoint there, that 50%. We've tapped. We had a strong bullish reaction. We almost came into Asia. We're back down in this, like, I just want to see it react again, which we should now. Just get back up there.
I got Nasdaq today.
You did. I've been there. Yeah, unless it's this Nvidia earnings that's screwing up the entire market.
Could be. My phone says look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is ugly.
Oh,
4 hour is ugly, but still, the 4 hour to me is bullish. Well,
because we had that previous 4 hour sweep.
Well, we had the 4 hour sweep at 6 p.m.
Yeah.
And then we had the 4 hour sweep again at 10 p.m. So yeah, double ugly.
Disgusting.
Fucking disgusting, mate.
Oh, someone, Lena, you know my last name. Oh, I guess it's on my socials. It's New Vote. It's actually Dutch. A bit confusing. So the W
Celine
is
a
a
Dutch
whole bunch of
AI.
vowels. Hey?
He's a Dutch AI chat.
That speaks not one single word of Dutch at all. Except for my last name.
Platinum doing. Platinum. Platinum. Same thing as gold. Silver. Same thing. Wow.
Patrick, you know Dutch? I thought you were Aussie.
He says, I can teach you some Dutch. Geen probleem.
Oh. What? Is that even Dutch?
Yeah, it is.
Duh.
Yeah, it's very similar to German, actually. Like, when somebody speaks Dutch, I can understand a lot, even though I don't speak Dutch.
Oh. Yeah, it sort of sounds similar.
Guten Dag, Anthony. Guten Dag. Geen probleem.
Oh, now everyone speaks Dutch in the chat.
Yeah, it seems like it. Wait, Patrick, you live in the Netherlands? I didn't even know.
What?
I didn't even know.
I didn't know that. Cool. Whoa. Fun with folds. I heard Aussies are aggressive. You have a point. Depends. There are some Australians, like, it's funny actually. All the different states, I feel like if you're from Sydney, if you're from Queensland, like, we all sort of have different personalities. It's funny. Oh, there's NQ just had a nice to the downside. Sheesh.
It's not CPI tomorrow. Stop giving me hope.
Damn, NQ, is that a manipulation or what are we doing? Make up your mind.
Make up your mind. I know, Dubai is nice. Dubai is nice, but it's a bit soulless, to be fair.
So I've heard. I've heard even some of the palm trees are fake.
No, that's not true. That's not true.
Yeah, apparently they're speakers and they're not like real plants or something.
Oh yeah, I mean they have no. What they do is they have antennas, like cellular antennas that are kind of like dressed as palm trees, so it looks nicer. But usually, like all the normal palm trees are palm trees. But the thing is,
Well,
like,
yeah.
so many things in Dubai are just fake. I like Dubai though, personally, but very fake.
Plus the weather there, I just don't think I could handle that 40 degrees all day.
Well, in winter is so nice. Like December, January in Dubai is like 25, 30 degrees. So nice.
Oh, that's not bad. That's like here.
Yep.
No way. I didn't think it would even get below, because everyone just goes on about how it's a desert and how hot it is all the time.
Yeah, in summer, of course. But in winter, it's like I said, like December, January at night, it gets like 15 degrees.
Damn. All right. Well, if I go, chat, I'll make sure I go in December, January.
All right, we do have a bearish setup now on NQ.
I'm annoyed here. I really wanted to see that Asia high swept. It was just a safer play for me to not be risking it, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Yeah, the FOMC minutes are today. That's right. Don't know. But that's different to normal FOMC. Nick, the sunlight there is playing games with you again.
I know. Wait, let me get it in the eye. There you go. Ah, I'm blind now. Yeah, today's max pain day, chat. I would stay out of this. Now that I see this all, like, I'm not going to take any trades anymore. This is yucky, how Mary would say. Yucky.
Yucky. Well, you guys who were saying it was seek and destroy, you guys were spot on.
Yep.
Because we really haven't done anything.
This is seek and destroy. Put your sunglasses on, Dino. All right, wait, give me a sec.
If you tell Nick to do something, he's got to do it. All right, chat. Do we think we're going to get up to that level at Asia High? I really want to see it.
Now wear my fast sunglasses now. You know, they hide my tears better for the day.
Damn. Maybe they're going to help NQ go faster now. They look like those real, the ones that the marathon runners wear.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I did a couple marathons already, so I can wear them. I'm allowed to.
Yeah?
I'm
allowed
allowed
that.
to. All right, let's see. Chat, where we're at with like count. We need 420 likes to do another 50K growth account giveaway. We're sitting at 358. We're close, chat. 62 more. Come on. Come on.
Come on, NQ.
Yeah, the gold long would have worked out. Let me cry behind my sunglasses here.
The haters can't get to you now.
You know, the fun thing is, like, there are so many fucking cool things happening in the next 2 months. Like, I can't even be sad, honestly.
Literally.
Even if the market was max pain today, like, I'm so happy and so looking forward to the next couple of months. It's gonna be so.
There's so much happening, and like you're jumping on a flight tomorrow.
Hell yeah,
Miami.
That's the first. There's until February. There are 7 really sick things happening. Tomorrow is the first one. Dino says sick. Next stream you wear a black outfit, Nick. Well, yeah, maybe. Next YT Wednesday. Graphene, can I wear something colorful? Well, this is blue. What are you talking about?
So does everything look blue? Is it like colored lenses for you?
No, like, to me, everything looks normal.
Oh. I see.
Nick getting a Bugatti. Not quite there yet. And honestly, I don't want a Bugatti. I want this.
It's the Lambo, isn't it?
This one I want. You see it?
The Batmobile.
Hell yeah. Not the Bugatti. Actually, I mean, the Revuelto is already pretty expensive, but you could buy like 5 Revueltos for 1 Bugatti.
Hey, Key. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. I didn't get my setup. I was waiting for a sweep of the previous 4-hour high, but never got there.
Do you have a car, Celine? Or do you just drive Scoopies in Bali?
Good question. I actually don't. I don't have a car. I get around mostly on Gojek, which is our just like
You should
it's like
buy.
over.
You should buy a Scoopy and just ride it all day.
I have thought about it, but I just don't trust it. I mean, I don't trust myself on a Scoopy. I just no. Especially, I've had so many like horror accidents here in Bali, especially Canggu. There's just it's not worth the risk. It does look fun. There's some really sick like pink Scoopies. They're like this really like pastel pink, really nice black leather. Like would be my ideal ride. But
Pastel pink with black leather. I would do
it looks
pastel.
so good.
I would do pastel pink with white leather. That must look so much nicer, no?
No, I'll show you. It looks so fire. I would honestly. This is the only thing that makes me want to ride a Scoopy is this bike. It's like the perfect pink.
Chat. I called out 3 setups, 2 on NQ and 1 on gold. The only one I didn't take is printing. What a day.
Annoying.
What a day. Tooth Fairy Luke, which model did I use before TTFM and was I profitable? Yes, I was profitable. I traded bull flags and bear flags, continuation moves. But the thing that I didn't like about it was very, very, like it left a lot of room for personal interpretation. And I wanted something that was more mechanical, more systematic. And that's what I found in T-Trade's fractal model. Whew, this is a seek and destroy day. Damn.
Emil says get a tuk-tuk. That's not in Bali. That's a Thailand thing. I know what you mean. There's like mini little cars with no
Those are
roofs
sick,
that play
though.
music. Those are sick. Ivan, what indicator is the previous highs called? My key levels is an indicator. It's actually private at the moment, but it's yeah, it's done by a developer that I get my indicators from.
Chat.
When private jet.
Yeah, when private jet, Celine.
I hope soon. I hope soon. Chat, you'll be the first to know when I have my private jet.
Yeah, private jet is different level. That is
have
a
you
different
seen
level.
those have you seen those I think it's in America, those fake private jet studios where like gurus will go and like film. I can't believe that's a thing.
Well, you can get anything.
The Furus.
Actually, I like flying commercial. As long as it's not economy. Economy sucks. But outside of that, I like it.
I mean, I've just always wanted, you know how in private jets you get to like literally sleep in a whole size bed and
yeah,
that's
that
pretty
is of course sick. But I mean, if you fly, if you would fly first class on like a good airline like Emirates or Swiss or Qatar or
you
Singapore,
get the bar. Yeah,
like you get a pretty big bed as well.
That's true. WN, my model might still be in play. It's true. We are having a bit of a bullish move to the upside here. If I can still get that sweep of previous 4-hour high at 24, well, let's get that exact level. It's sitting at 24,655.50. If I can get even like a 1-tick sweep into that level, I will happily take shorts. But we've only got 15 more minutes together. So what's our like counter? Are we going to give this a count?
386. We need 34 more likes, chat.
Come on, chat.
If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button because we need 420. At 420, we're going to do a giveaway fast. Do it.
Do it.
Dino says, do you know that if you jump off a plane, you will still be flying, and even after touching the ground later, you will fly again? What do you mean, man? You're drunk?
What?
I have a skydiving license. What are you talking about, man?
Oh, have you done skydiving?
Yeah, I have a license.
That's sick.
It's fun. Pretty cool. I haven't.
What was it like?
Done it in a while,
like,
but
I don't know. Like the thought of it freaks me out. But I'm sure you get like an insane thrill jumping out of a plane.
You have to do it. It's fucking sick. Wait, I can show you a video. One sec.
Yeah, let's see it.
I can show you a video. Let's see. Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I did my license in Dubai. So I went to Dubai for like a month and did the whole thing like in one go. That was fun.
And did you do your first jump in Dubai?
Yeah, I actually did. No, I did the second jump in Dubai. The first one I ever did was in Switzerland. That was like 10 years ago, though. All right, let's see if I can pull this
So you've
up.
been doing this for a while.
Yeah, but I mean, licensed and jumping on my own only since 3 years. Yeah, 2022 I did it. Let me see how I can pull this up. Damien, I'm resharing my screen here really quick. Can pull this up again and plug me in. What's that, Celine?
The highest you've jumped from, like what's the highest level?
12,000.
Is there like a max?
12,000 feet. No, you could go higher with an oxygen mask, but this one 12,000 feet. Damien, if you could plug my screen in, I can show it. Yeah, no worries.
That's pretty crazy. I can't believe you've like normally people would just skydive once and they like ticked a bucket list goal, but you're like, no.
I did it I did a tandem and then I was like, oh shit, this is sick. Then I did a second tandem with a friend of mine in Dubai and I loved, oh, here it is. Now I can play it.
Oh yeah, let's see. This is unreal.
Did the second one in Dubai and then I was like, okay, shit, I gotta do the license. Like this is so much fun. You can have so much fun.
Holy
like it's so funny because you can like, I tried to sit here but I failed and afterwards I get it, but you have like a 50-second free fall and you can really control where you're flying. Like you can come close to each other, you can flip each other off in the air.
No way.
And it's funny, like you see now when I sit down, you're actually gonna see how much faster I am. Like look, now I sit and now I'm gonna just overtake him like easily.
As if you have that much control over your body when you're like,
you do, like you can like fully control it.
This is like actual superhero shit. Like I feel like
it is very fun, yeah. Then you pull and then you're done.
Guys, he is Batman.
Bye.
Oh my god.
I still need like a Tradeify branded canopy. That would be sick.
That would be sick. So you've never had problems with like the parachute situation? Because that's obviously like a fear of mine. Like, imagine the parachute doesn't come out or something like that. Have you ever had problems like that?
I have my lines twisted. That is when you pull the parachute and then like it entangles and basically you can untwist it. It takes a couple seconds, like 10 seconds or so. But besides that, I never had an issue. It's very rare that an issue happen. And I mean, it's actually obviously it's a dangerous sport, but it's still safe because if the parachute doesn't open or anything, or you have a problem with it, you always have a reserve, right? Even if you black out, the reserve parachute pulls automatically at a certain height if you don't do it. So you're very safe.
Oh, I didn't know the equipment was that high tech. Oh, that makes me feel better.
Yeah, no, it's very high tech. It is very high tech. Trader Ken says Superman flies, not Batman. That's not true. Batman has the flying cape, man.
Yeah,
I should do wingsuit though. Wingsuit with the Batman wingsuit, that would be fucking sick.
Your parachute should be all black and it should just have the Batman logo.
WN says you don't need a parachute to go skydiving unless you want to do it twice.
Oh, what?
Saturday. No, you cannot float up there as long as you want.
It looked like you were up there for quite like a while though.
You have almost a minute of free fall, so you have some time.
Just spinning around up in the air. Have you seen that video of the guy who jumps from space, the space jump?
Yeah. That guy died though.
No.
Yeah, he did, I think last year. He actually, or beginning of this year, he was on a paraglider and actually crashed into a hotel pool.
Oh shit. Damn, that still lives on to be the like sickest video though.
Fun with Full says, fuck everyone, we have Nick Man now. Yeah. Ayrton, this one was in Dubai.
Yeah, Dino, if you haven't seen it, there's a video. If you just go on YouTube, space jump, I'm sure it'll be. The guy literally jumps from outer space and
Yeah,
lands back on
yeah,
Earth.
Felix Baumgartner. That was crazy. That was crazy. Where are we at with the like count, chat? 431. Oh, damn. Okay.
Oh, we got there. Okay.
Let's run the giveaway.
Let's
Chat, all you
go.
got to do to take part in this giveaway and win a 50K growth account is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send the link to the Google form, fill it out, but only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. Here it is. Have fun. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck.
It's actually funny. Gene says 1 minute feels like a week, though. It's very interesting. Like when you jump completely solo, like without a friend or anything, like it's literally just you're literally chilling there, like you're laying flat on your stomach,
Such
basically,
a weird feeling.
and you're just like, yeah, okay.
Okay. Like, it just must be such a crazy feeling. Like, it's obviously silent up there.
No,
and you
it's
just
very
like,
fucking loud because of the wind.
oh,
Like
well,
when you
like,
skydive, it's like.
oh, shit. Oh, it looked as I would have thought it would be more like peaceful.
No, it's very
No
windy.
one up there.
Very, very windy. But it's cool.
Some
Like
birds.
it's one of the only things I ever did where like the world completely shuts off. Like you don't have any thoughts, you don't think about anything. You're literally just there in that moment, present. So it's really cool.
Like, no fear, just like you don't feel any of that. Like, oh my God, what if my parachute doesn't?
No, once you're in the air, and everything is just gone. It's so cool.
What about that like second before you jump?
You're scared of shit. I mean, I'm not that scared anymore now. Like when I go skydiving, it's like, okay, I've done it. I have 85 jumps, which is not a lot, to be fair. Like professional
Damn.
skydivers have like tens of thousands of jumps. But still, I did it enough that I know what to do, and then it's not as scary. But for the first time, like first tandem you do, oh my God, like you're in that plane, like shaking.
Because there's nothing to compare it to. Like, there's nothing like, you know, you don't even know what to expect. Had you done like bungee jumping or something like that before?
No, I've not done bungee jumping, but I heard that bungee jumping is much more scary than skydiving, actually.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
I would have thought the opposite. That's so funny.
Hey, Tom, parkour actually helps with discipline and having the right mindset. That's for sure. Skydiving, I mean, yeah, overcoming your fears. That's probably why I'm not scared to take trades.
And it all comes back to trading, guys.
It always comes back to trading.
Anything that helps your psychology is going to help you trading 100%.
100% agree. All right, let's see, chat. Let's do the giveaway. Gonna copy everybody over to the wheel of names. And the winner gets a 50K growth account. See. Mr. T, yeah, the first jump was tandem. So like you're strapped to somebody's parachute. All right, here you go. 50K growth account winner is...
Let's go.
Is... Lion Traits. Hey, I've seen you before. Make sure to tag me in the chat really quick, Lion. Ayrton says, I just followed y'all. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you.
Thanks for the follow and congrats, Lion. I've definitely seen him in the chat before.
Yep. Lion Traits, where you at?
Claim your prize.
I love how everybody else always saying like congrats in the chat. That's super cool. Hey, Lion Traits tag me. So you just won a 50K growth account. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we will send you your account within the next 7 days. So please be patient. Nick has a lot to do, background Nick, so he will send it out as fast as possible. Make sure your email address is added today, though, because otherwise you might get a delay.
All right, what are we doing here, Nasdaq? I thought
Nothing.
we were gonna get a trade today, chat, but doesn't look like it.
Mm-mm. We do not. All right, Celine. Tomorrow and Friday, you're gonna host this stream alone. Are
We're
you
gonna
ready?
have a huge party without you, Nick. Chat,
I'm
things are
kind of
just
jealous.
gonna be crazy.
I'm
Hey?
jealous. I'm jealous. I want to have a party with the chat.
I mean, there's not going to be any skydiving videos to share, unfortunately, chat, but there will be other things. We will have heaps of fun. Obviously, someone's going to win an account, and we're hopefully going to do some trading in between, talking shit about Nick while he's not here.
Hey, wait a minute.
Azempic, we'll have fun. But yeah, I'm so looking forward to it. I might have to one of you might have to show me a bit on gold as well, because obviously I'm not trading gold lately, but who knows? Tomorrow might be the day.
Hey, Mr. T, I'm going to Miami to catch up with the New York streaming team. And on Friday, definitely tune in to the New York stream because we're gonna be like funny as shit. We're gonna have Brett there, we have Amos there, we have Rebecca there, Miriam there, Matt there, I'm there. We're gonna have an in-person stream all together, which is gonna be funny. Definitely a lot of giveaways happening, I assume, because Brett is there. And then yeah, we're gonna have a fun stream. Make sure to tune in again today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York stream, and then of course tomorrow morning for an 8 a.m. UK time stream with Celine going solo for the first time. So definitely show her some love there. And yeah, I'll see you all later today. Celine, anything you want to add?
Awesome. No, just get pumped. Be nice to me tomorrow, chat, and Friday. My first time alone without Nick as my co-host, so we might have some hiccups, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna kill it. We're gonna have fun, and we're gonna hopefully take some trades. If not, you guys might have to help me. We'll see.
All right. So chat, if you loved this stream, put a W in the chat. If you hated it, put an L in the chat. I love you all, and we'll see you later today. Peace out.